Hi Hector.
Hi, Enrique.
How are you the last week?
I'm fine. I'm good. I feel good. And you? What do you?
Good, but at this moment I want to talk about with you for negotiation to come back the company, and we would like to work with you. What do you think?
First, thank you for the time for this meeting. And the second point, I think, is a good job, and I like here and like the people and like you. In the last 5 years working here is good, but what do you propose? What benefits
Okay.
think is good for me and for you,
Okay.
obviously.
We have been thinking to give you more bonds, and you can earn more money in your job, because we are thinking that you are a one important part in the company. You work so good, and I think you can learn many things in this company and blow up your professional career.
Thank you for the comment, but maybe more percent
For example,
or a specific
yes, yes,
benefits.
yes. The benefit is that you can earn 10% more, and you have children, and we can give you to for your children have a particular school.
Okay.
I think it's very important the studies for your children. And yes, for example.
I think the percent is no. I need more, and the private education is very good in the life. The education is the more important, and this point is very good. But I think, for example, you say 10. I think 15 is more good. It's only 5% more,
Okay.
and the bonus maybe one one in the year, one bonus is good. What do you think the price?
I talk about this with my team, but I think it's possible to give you the 15%.
Okay.
I think it's reasonable. and, and yes, we are talking about this. Yes, I think it's possible.
Okay, Enrique, thank you. Told me I have a deal.
Deal?
Deal?
Yes.
Thank you so
Okay.
much for your time.
Yes.